Ever wonder how Americans stack up when getting down in the bedroom? Very good, if you believe results from a new survey about the motion of the ocean. Sorry, Mom, but this story is about sex after all. Online dating company SaucyDates.com surveyed over 22,700 straight members and asked the following questions. On a scale of 0 to 10, how good in bed was the last person you got it on with? And where was that person from? Men were rating women and vice versa. Americans were ranked as the best lovers overall for both men and women with a score of 8 or very good. For the men, saucy Aussies and South Africans also did the most for the women ranking their skills. On the flip side, the worst lovers were men from New Zealand. Again, take the results with a grain of salt, although something sweet is sometimes preferred between the sheets. The folks behind the research hope it helps people pick the right partner. This should go without saying, but having a good connection should be a higher priority than the person's passport.